The GST Council headed by the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Monday decided to set up a group of ministers on reducing tax on life and health insurance and cut GST on cancer drugs. Briefing reporters on the outcome of the 54th GST Council meeting, Ms. Sitharaman has gone on to say that they have decided to have a group of ministers to look into the GST rate on health insurance. Let's listen in.
Two new GOMs have been decided. One is on the medical and health insurance, that they will look into this matter and come with a report by end of October, just 1.5 months time. And the GST Council, which will meet in November, will finalize based on this report which will come from the GOM.
Right, so that we just heard the Finance Minister, and to get more on this, we have my colleague Aishwarya joining us. Aishwarya, a deadline has also been set up. Take us through the details.
So I certainly remember during the last Parliament session was several adjournment notices which were served by the opposition MPs demanding the reduction of the life insurance premiums as far as the GST is concerned, and they demanded a rollback altogether in these policies. So at that point of time, it was Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman who stated that this will be decided in the upcoming GST Council meeting. And yesterday, when the 54th GST Council meeting was constituted under the chairmanship of Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, it was this important matter that was brought in by the finance ministers from different states, and important decisions are taken yesterday as far as the health premium is concerned. The GST imposed on it, it was decided that there would be two group of ministers, one on rate rationalization on the medical and life insurance, and other on the road ahead of the compensation cess. And there is a deadline that has been given to them that by October, it needs to be decided by the GOM that what needs to be done. There would be several consultations that will be done, but the next GST Council meeting, as stated by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, will be in November, which will take the recommendations of the new GOM on health and life insurance as well. And the GST Council meeting will be held on in November to take a call on reduction of rate of the health and life insurance. That's what the Finance Minister clearly stated. But on the other side, it was, remember, several of the finance ministers coming in from different states who attended the meeting also welcomed this move by the government of India, stating that this will help discussion and an elaborate arrangements can be made as far as GST rates are concerned. Remember, the council also decided that the GST rates on cancer drugs will be brought lower to 5% from existing 12% currently. Remember, on the part of the health insurance, there is GST that is imposed as far as 18% is concerned, and the and majorly the finance ministers who attended this meeting stated that either it should be reduced to 5% or altogether should be scrapped as far as the large taxpayers are concerned of the country. This move has been welcomed. Now, what the report of the GOM will suggest till November is something that remains to be seen, whether the government of India will approve the recommendations or whether there would be further discussions is something that we will get to know by November when the next meeting is being called on.